Mother. So, here I am. I'm in the middle of filming a video on is meth right for you? And I am pulling into the car wash right now, and as you can see, the car wash is going. I got something funky going on. So my car's running weird. It's continually spraying meth, and I don't know what's up. So I'm gonna let the car wash do its thing. It's gonna get washed here, and yeah, when it's done, I'm hoping everything resets and we're good to go. But we're gonna give it a fire here, and we're gonna see.
Bring the fucking money, all I be fucking call me with my homies up there. Bring the fucking money, all I be fucking call me with my homies up there. Bring the fucking money, all I be fucking call me with my homies up there. Bring the fucking money, all I be fucking call me with my homies up there.
I decided to try this out and put this methanol in a fucking windshield washer fluid, but my kit, man, this thing's so hot. Here, step around here. Now this is a full week's worth of driving. This is like 6 days. So 3 days I took it easy, 3 days I drove however I wanted to. This is something you do not want to run dry. They say you go through about a gallon about every 3 to 5 days. Ooh, shit. So we were right there. About half a gallon a week. So that's really not that bad. Yeah, about the worst thing that could happen is see that how mine's got this alky control. It's got like a bronze screen filter type deal on the bottom there. And this stuff will evaporate, and evaporates really quick. So if you're not gonna drive it or whatever, don't keep it full, don't use it. But if you do daily it, make sure you top it off. So that's it, we should be good, man. Half gallon, that's not bad. Oh, also, here, hand them to me. Just wanted to say, this Corsa, I did run into like a situation. It is starting to rub a little bit here. I don't know if it's coming through on camera. It is rubbing here on that rain guard for the heat extractor. It is rubbing right here, and it's kind of rubbing, starting to rub a hole in the, I don't know if that's coming through or not, but starting to rub a hole in the carbon fiber. So this is something to take note in case you guys want to get this Corsa cold air. But if you're wondering if it's decent, I would say yes, because it's supporting 665 rear wheel horsepower. So yeah, I think it's good to go, man. So what's up, guys? All right, so what I was gonna do tonight, earlier tonight, I topped off my meth kit. We went out for a drive, dropped Chad off, came back out, went to the car wash, came back, and all of a sudden my meth kit wouldn't stop spraying. So it just instantly just drained the whole gallon. Nothing I can really do. So I'm gonna have to get in touch with Killer Performance. It's nothing Killer did. I think it's the alky kit. Got a jet flying overhead here. So anyways, I think that this is just a freak deal. The motor runs fine. The thing is I looked it up today. Carl Customs, which is the local speed shop we've got here, they crate motor for e-crate motor. I don't know if that comes with the gas pedal and blah, 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 but a long block looked like it was $21,000. So I'd much rather pay, you know, $150, $200 tow bill, get the car home safely. We'll get a hold of Killer Performance. We'll see what's up. Don't let my situation kind of steer you away from this, because this kit has, seriously, it's been on point. It's never had a fault other than right now. The kit's lasted 1,000 miles. I'm not giving up on it yet. Now, if we have another problem, we're gonna have a different conversation. But if you want to go meth, I'll just tell you real quick here while we're in the parking lot waiting for a tow truck. If you're going to daily it, stay on top of it, keep it filled up. When I dropped the car off of Killer Performance, I think my best mileage was like 24.3. The mileage increase I got, the car jumped all the way up to like almost 27 miles per gallon. So there's a pro of increased miles per gallon, because when the intake temperatures go down, it takes all the stress and all the heat soak off of that blower, so it drives the efficiency way through the roof. You know, you're gonna get increased mileage. I've seen a lot of benefits from it. It's very, very easy to make 150 horsepower right out of the box on these LT4s. There's been some other benefits. A 5-gallon pail of it here locally is like $49.99, so it's like $10 a gallon. A week, I went through, you know, 3 days I drove it like super calm, like really conservative. I tried to stay out of it, tried to increase my mileage. Another 3 days I just drove however I wanted. So I think I ended up using like half a gallon, as you saw in the clip before. So I mean, talking about a pail, maybe a month, you might get 5 weeks out of a pail. See a tow truck? Damn it. So yeah, you're gonna get increased mileage. You know, a 5-gallon pail is probably gonna last you about 5 weeks. It's really not that inexpensive or expensive, depends on how you look at it. If you're gonna daily it, just stay on top of it, make sure it's full. Depends on how many, you know, how many, depends on your tune really. How many pounds of boost it comes in at, how long it's gonna spray for, how hard you are, your driving habits, blah blah. But it doesn't hurt, just every 3 days just top it off. Cons, as you can see, the cons are gonna be getting the bugs, getting the kinks worked out, and I think that's what this is. I think that this is just an electrical thing. I would much rather have the pump spray non-stop rather than stop spraying during a pull. So I'm very cool with you know, the kit. Like I said, shit happens, you know what I mean. Like I said, it's 1,000 miles. I got a kink to work out. Might get a hold of Alki customer support, get a hold of Killer Performance, see what's up. Maybe they've come across this before, maybe they haven't, whatever. It's no big deal. I've had way stuff worse go wrong with my vehicles before. So you can start the car up, it idles, it runs fine. It's just when you pour methanol in it, the pump just won't quit spraying. So, like I said, we'll call Killer, we'll get it figured out, but don't let this deter you away from, you know, getting your car set up with meth. Earlier today, before this happened, I had a way better opinion of this. We'll come back and touch base and we'll do another. Also, we'll give a shout out to Mike. He finally got an ETA date on his ZL1. He kind of lives close to me, within like, what, hour and a half? We think Omaha is like hour and a half, 2 hours? 2 hours, you think? Okay, 2 hours. So he finally got an ETA on his ZL1. Whether that comes through or not, I promised them the exhaust tips on my car. So what we're gonna do is we're going to cut this off. Also, I want to see where these AFM valves are at, because supposedly the manual does not have AFM valves, but I'm coming across a whole different story as far as when you're driving, it goes quiet and it goes, my SS never did this. If within 1 week we can get this up to, last time I did 100 and they fucking killed it. We'll go 200 likes. If we can get this up to 200 likes within 1 week, we'll cut that off. I'll put the SLP loudmouth kit on. We'll see what the SLP kit with the Texas 2-inch headers on this car sound like. Oh my God. The reason that I kind of bit my freaking nails when I started the car up at Killer Performance was because, much like most of you at home, I have neighbors, and I don't want people to really resent living next to me. And for the most part, I have cool neighbors and I have a good relation with them, and I don't want to ruin that. But I think this SLP kit will be, it'll be all right. It'll be cool. Like I said, 200 likes within 1 week. We'll take the can opener to it. We'll cut the whole muffler open. We'll see what's inside. We'll see what's going on. Oh, you see a tow jug? Okay. All right. We're getting some heat on us. So I'll give you an update. If not, beat the hell out of that subscribe button. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Till then, see you later. Have a good night. Have a better day than I did. We'll see ya. Bye. We are finally out of the parking lot. We're on our way home. It's just a little after midnight now. This is a bad feeling right here, bud. Slow motion shots of your own car on a tow truck. I hope you're never here, man. I hope you're never here.